Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi and
Hey folks, this is Jeff.
yes, today guys, Jeffrey loves for us to cook with the right tools and right products. So we have been using just regular pepper from the store. Just regular pepper. This is fine pepper. We're gonna talk about that a little bit. But I like black grinded pepper. It has a different texture and a different taste. So he got a nice little doohickey he want to show y'all, and he gonna talk about it a little bit. And I'll come back and show you in just a second the difference between the two different types of pepper. So let's do it, baby.
Well, hopefully we'll be able to do a live thing
The
here.
head cut off.
So, my head's cut off. I don't get head right there. So, anywho, so here's an electric grinder. So, like Kim was saying, I don't like to. Well, I don't like to. I don't like the heavy, coarse grind that's on here. This is like from Walmart, and it's just one size. So when you grind it, you grind it. So I'm gonna do. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I'm gonna grind here right into the in the bowl. So I don't know if you can see. You might be able to see it. I don't want it to fall out. So it's kind of thick there, right? That's just.
And I love pepper like that.
She like it, but on the other hand, you can smell it though.
I love it when it's nice and thick. Maybe I'll show it in my hand right quick.
Yeah, maybe. Let me sure it don't fall out because you gotta get the right angle.
Let me see. See how nice and thick that is? You got all the nice seeds and the peppercorn. I like it thick like this on my eggs and everything. My potatoes, I do, but Jeffrey doesn't.
Yeah.
So fine pepper. Hold on one second.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna let you see. So when it's fine, just out the can, y'all all know what that look like. It's just so fine. Boring. But I don't really like it like this. Once you have to me, the thicker coarse pepper is better. But again, Jeffrey's gonna show you his new doohickey and how you can get both.
So I've been trying to, since we've been doing the channel more, I like to get the right tools to cook, to cook right. What I'm saying is I'm looking on YouTube and I see, okay, I'm using this here, or they're cutting with this, and I'm like, oh, that looks pretty good. Let me see if I can find something similar. So anyway, I one of the guys that I watch, and you see people on the cooking shows and they got the grinder and the wood when they big wood thing. Well, I don't need that. So I was like, well, what if is there an electric grinder or something? So I found this, because you can do your grinders for your salt as well. So this right here is an electric grinder that was found on Amazon. And it was rated pretty good. I think it was like 4.6 or something like that. And it's supposed to be able to adjust the thickness or the I don't know what the right way to say coarseness. Yeah, the coarseness of the grind. So it can go from, and you can see the little knob right here on the bottom. If you see here on the bottom, it has on there coarse to fine. And I'm assuming when you take the top off, this is where the peppers go into there. I'm going to assume.
So this is our first time using it.
I've never used it before. Well,
of course, we just unboxed it.
Yeah. So that's why it says max right there. So I guess you fill it up to there.
All right.
So it takes 4 AAA batteries. So let me put some in here.
Now that's the only part I didn't like, guys. You got to go buy batteries when I can buy this at Walmart.
Well, hold on a minute. That's what do to me all the time. Ooh. Anyway, excuse me.
You want to wash your hands?
Well, yeah. For cleanly sake on the camera, right?
We're really here.
So I have some rechargeable AAA batteries, but I gotta find them and charge them up. So anyway, so I had to run to the store right quick and get some batteries. So let me see what happens. I'm gonna dry my hands right quick. But anyway, let's put this in here and see what happens. And you look at the way it's supposed to go. Yeah, right?
It really is cute though. The only reason I said that, guys, because I don't like a whole lot of stuff on my countertops. So I don't know where this is gonna go. But
so let's see what happens here.
I like a clean countertop. Now you looking right now, you probably like, Kimmy, what you talking about? We went to the grocery store and that's why all this stuff is here.
So here's a little button. See.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's got a light on it too.
Yeah, that's why it was. It was a light, so you're supposed to be able to see what you're doing, so that you can see how much you're putting down. So now,
putting on your food.
Yeah, when you're putting your food. So now, the next thing is the peppercorns, or the whole black peppers.
Where did you get that from?
I bought this off of Amazon as well. You can see there.
Oh, I got to get a link for that. I'll put that in there for y'all.
Now, this was rated like 4.8, so people really liked it. So I'm like, oh, okay.
How much was that?
Ooh, I don't know. I can look right quick. It
Well,
wasn't that much.
That's okay.
It wasn't that much.
And how much was the grinder?
It was the grinder is $13.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then the pepper.
Oh, it sure do smell nice.
It's supposed to be really a good rate.
Black peppercorn.
Yeah.
Nothing artificial.
The pepper was $8.
Okay, so that's not bad, guys.
Yeah.
$20 to get it done right.
And
Okay.
that's you can really smell that too. That
Yeah.
just opened up. So let's let me just read the instructions. Anything special? No. Hold the grinder tightly and switch the container cover to open according to indicator icons. Put pepper or salt into the container, then restore and lock the cover. Okay, so pretty simple. So let's do that. I don't know if you can see me from here.
Wait, come. Let me bring the camera so he can see it.
Let's see it, because I don't want to see how it looks going on the inside there, right there. So this is where the pepper's going. Of course, you gotta get it all to go in there.
Can you see it on the outside?
Oh, good thought. Because I was like, how you gonna know it's there? So you can see. Let's get a little closer. No, hold on. You a little closer. She moving farther away.
Because we need the light.
Okay, so let me get a little closer, so you can see on the side how much is in there. You see that?
Yeah, I can see it.
I didn't know they had it in there. That was good.
Come in the camera.
So, shoot.
We can't be wasting the $8 pepper, y'all.
Yeah.
$8 pepper.
So I'm gonna put some more in there, and then I'm gonna put the lid back on there, and we're gonna see how it does.
All right, let's see.
Let's see what happens.
Okay, drum roll.
All right, let's see. So then, let me come over here. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, let me do it. Push this.
Yeah.
You can see the pepper coming out.
Yeah.
Let me get closer. Let me get closer.
Okay, let me start.
So you can see the pepper coming out. And the reason we doing all this, guys, is because you want your food to taste good, okay? We just want you to see it. That's pretty nice, though.
So then you adjust.
And I will say this, because that was very easy to use. I wasn't really planning on using it. But instead of using this grinder, because you got to use your wrist. You got to use your wrist. And if you like me, you got any kind of carpal tunnel stuff, that could be kind of rough. So I did like it. It's electric. I mean, that's what electric stuff do. It make your life easier. So I'm going to take that back, y'all. I think this is nice. Yeah, after actually using it, I would definitely use this. I would just turn it to use it for how I want, with a thicker peppercorn. Nice. You want to try to find right quick, and then we show me the salt. So I changed my mind. I would recommend it. At first I was like, what you need that for? I can buy it from the store. But did this go with this?
Ooh, it smells good. So yeah, this smells real good. You can tell the difference, folks. For sure.
Yeah, I would use that. I changed my mind.
So yeah. So then.
So get you a pepper grinder.
Either electrical or hand, but I like the electric one because it's electric.
I do like it. I really do. Look, one more time. Let's go, let's go. I like it. And it's got a light on it.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, she's
Okay.
okay.
All right, last thing we wanted to show you really quick is, and we'll put the link in the description box for the peppercorns, okay, and also for the grinder. Because I think your food going to taste better. See, this is the thing about me and Jeffrey, too. When it comes to cooking, a lot of times I don't like my food because it just doesn't taste as well as it does eating out. But a lot of what I find is because I don't have the right ingredients. The right ingredients. So this $20 investment right here, I mean, how much pepper you going to use? It'll last you forever, right? And you got a good quality pepper versus just buying it. And it is a Sawyer's brand. Sawyer's? I guess that's how you say it. Okay? All right. Now he's going to show you his other little doohickey, which is the salt.
Yeah, I was still watching the same guy. And you see other people do it when they have their salt and they say...
Can I say this?
Yeah, I'm going to use that in a minute.
Oh.
We're going to use that when they say you just do a pinch of salt. And so, but if you use the regular, like Morton, the real fine salt, I mean, you got, you know, it's back here in the back.
Oh, okay. Well, I ain't going to pull that out, y'all.
Yeah, but you do the Morton is real fine, and that's not, but you can see it when they're doing it on the screen, and they'll say kosher salt or something, which is a thicker, or more coarse. So, and I see them when they have it, the salt in a little container thing here, so you can see it like so. And you don't really need that much because it goes further than you trying to put a lot with the fine one, right? So it's got a little nice.
Is that a different kind of salt? Okay. Is it a special salt?
Just kosher, like a thicker.
I don't like kosher salt, y'all.
It's the same thing, though. It's kosher. It just means it's just coarse. That's all.
I don't like coarse salt. I don't even use a lot of salt.
Well,
how do you get this out of here?
So what they do on the TV when they're on the screen, when they're cooking, when they say you're gonna do a pinch of salt. And you just do it like that. That's how you do it. You just do it in this. They spread it on their food. Okay. That's what the professionals do. So I would like to look, you know, a little bit more than trying to just. And plus, with the fine one, you can't really see it, and you probably put more than what you need. But if it's the coarse, you can actually see what you're doing, and it goes longer. It goes. The taste or the effect goes quicker than having to put a lot on there. So. All
right, guys. So now you have it. Go out and get you the electric grinder. If you don't have one, you heard it here first. Goes like that. Salt and pepper. Actually, pepper and pepper. Mm-hmm. But anyway, I'll put the link in the description box again for you. Because sometimes y'all say, well, where you get that from, Kimmy? Where can I buy it at? So I'll just throw it in the box for you, okay? Until next time, we'll be back with some kind of segment for you. Either cooking, healthy, whatever. So like, subscribe, and share, and all that good stuff, okay? Bye.
Bye, folks.